approximately 22 million Americans suffer from a substance use disorder. While substance abuse is a mental health condition, it can have severe physical repercussions as well. Typical symptoms of addiction usually include self-neglect, including hygiene and exercise, but other, more serious symptoms can manifest, such as failure of the kidneys, liver, or heart. Mental health concerns of those struggling with an addiction include anxiety, depression, and much more. Many successful addiction programs use yoga in treatment for their health benefits, as well as to soothe the mind. Yoga therapy, as part of a comprehensive addiction treatment program, addresses several physical and mental symptoms of addiction. In addition, yoga is a widely accepted form of self-care outside of treatment, making the continuation of this therapy and early recovery rather smooth. When paired with a comprehensive treatment plan, yoga is an evidence-based therapy in many addiction programs that result in long-term recovery. Treatment and recovery yoga facilitates a reduction of adverse feelings and suffering, effective management of stress symptoms. Yoga therapy is utilized in substance abuse treatment in a slightly different format from regular classes. While many yoga classes consist of a teacher and students from many walks of life that meet regularly, treatment yoga varies. At Recovery in Motion, we offer a therapeutic setting in a safe environment, in which sessions feel more like physical therapy over psychotherapy. Yoga therapy sessions for addiction treatment often consist of an individual or small group of like-minded people of any age and level of physical fitness. Beginning with an initial assessment, yoga therapists are able to identify health problems as well as physical and lifestyle capability. Effective breathing exercises for self-reflection and coping with stress through guided imagery often mark the beginning of one's yoga therapy. This therapy approach is just as much about the process of reaching personal goals as it is of reaching them. Addiction often proves to be the result of drug or alcohol abuse that began as a way to escape daily, real-world experiences or boredom. Yoga is a great way to show addicted individuals that they can overcome an addiction and still find joy and peace in an abstinent lifestyle. The director of the Kundalini Research Institute points out that yoga is an alternative, a positive way to generate a change in consciousness that, instead of providing an escape, empowers people with the ability to access peaceful, restorative inner state that integrates mind, body, and spirit. It's also a wonderful way for the body to become reacquainted with mobility, flexibility, and movements without stress and anxiety. Depression is a common symptom of substance detox, which is also alleviated by yoga. The founders of Alcoholics Anonymous acknowledged in the Big Book that physical and psychological benefits sane, but we are sure that our bodies were sickened as well. In our belief, any picture of the alcoholic which leaves out this physical factor is incomplete. This acknowledgement also applies to people who are addicted to drugs. While addiction creates a dark hole in the lives of many, yoga philosophy can fill it tenfold. While not a temporary sensation of euphoria that destroys one's life and relationships, as is addiction, ongoing yoga sessions provide a foundation for lasting mental health and physical fitness. Apart from yoga, we take pride in offering several therapies that will allow you to take your life back and sustain a happy, functional lifestyle in recovery for a long time to come.